Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is mathematical reasoning. Now I am discuss about algebra of a statements. First year, idempotent laws. For any statement P, first one P or P logically equal to P. Second one P and P logically equal to P. Commutative laws for any statements P and Q. Now first one P or Q logically equal to Q or P. Second one P and Q logically equal to Q and P. Associative laws for any statements P, Q and R. First one P or Q R are logically equal to P R Q R R. Second one P and Q and R logically equal to P and Q and R. Distributive laws for any three statements P Q R. First one P R Q and R logically equal to P R Q and P R R. Second one P and Q R are logically equal to P and Q are P and R. Identity laws. If T and F are denote a tautology and falsy respectively, then for any statement P, first one P and T logically equal to P. Second one P or F logically equal to P. Third one P or T logically equal to T. Fourth one P and F logically equal to F. Next, complement laws for any statement P. First one P or negation P logically equal to T. Second one P and negation P logically equal to F. Okay, now here first one, the negation of the Boolean expression, negation S or negation R and S is, okay, now negation S or negation R and S, negation R and S. Okay, now negation of P R Q, negation of P R Q is equal to negation P and negation Q, negation P and negation Q. Now here negation here P, this one Q, negation of P R Q means negation P and negation Q. Now negation of negation S and negation of, now negation R and S, negation R and S. Okay, negation of negation P is equal to P, negation of negation P is equal to P. Now negation of negation S and now here negation of P and Q, negation of P and Q is equal to negation P or negation Q. Okay, now negation here, this one P Q, negation of P and Q means negation P, negation of negation R negation S, negation S. Okay, now negation of negation R. Now S and R are negation S. Okay, now P and P and QRR is equal to P and Q R P and Q R P and R P and Q R P and R. Now S and R are negation S. Now S and R are S and negation S. S and negation S. Now P and negation P is equal to falsy. Now F P and negation P is equal to falsy. Now S and negation S. S and negation S is equal to also falsy. Now S and R. Now S and R are now S and negation S, that value is equal to falsy. Now PR falsy is equal to P. PR falsy is equal to logically equal to P. Now S and R RF is equal to. Okay, now here total PRF is logically equal to P, means S and R RF is equal to S and R. Now this one logically equal to S and R. S and R means option 1. Therefore option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is the correct one. Next one is the Boolean expression P and negation Q, RQ or negation P and Q equivalent to. Okay, now we are given expression value. Given P and negation Q, RQ or negation P and Q. Okay, now here this can be right now. P and negation Q, RQ or negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. Okay, now here this can be right now. PRQ and negation Q, RQ. PRQ and negation Q, RQ or negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. Now this value negation P RQ is equal to, negation Q RQ is equal to logically equal to T, total C. Now PRQ and T are negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. Now P and T logically equal to P. Now P and T means P. Now PRQ R negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. Okay, now here PRQ R negation P. PRQ R negation P and PRQ PRQ RQ PRQ RQ. Now PRQ R negation P and PRQ RQ. Now PR negation P. PR negation P is equal to PR negation P is equal to T. Logically equal to T. Now QRT and PRQ. Now QRT means that value is T. QRT that value is equal to T. T and PRQ. Okay. Now T and PRQ means, now T and P means that we are logically equal to P. Now PRT is logically equal to T. Now here also T and PRQ. Now P and T logically equal to P. Now that value is equal to PRQ. That value is equal to PRQ. Now PRQ means option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the